this is the disadvantage of the MCQ exam. If the lecturer or the doctor have a fault, the student pay it.
The price. Yes.
الله الحافظ. Okay.
Yasmin, close your mic.
Now, let us start.
Okay, doctor.
I think that we have now آية, هاجر, مديحة, زهراء, يارا, إسراء, وياسمين. Okay? And we have Madonna. Madonna entering. Okay, let's start. Chapter
Doctor,
4.
we didn't take the convergence of bisection. We didn't take the convergence of bisection method. We took the bisection algorithm, but the convergence we didn't.
Yes. I hear you, and I think that we cannot take every item in the course. So I have the advantage to choose. Okay, and I shall choose the simple items for you. Don't worry. The exam will be on the items I illustrated carefully, and at every item you understand well. Okay? Chapter 4, interpolation. Interpolation. What is interpolation and why we discuss this subject? Let's focus in this table. Okay, this is a table containing some data for an experimental experiments. We have independent variable x and dependent variable f of x, which is a function. We have some values for x, which is 0, 0.2, 0.4, 0.6, 0.8, and 1. The value of x at every item is 0, 0.4, 0.16, 0.36, 0.64, and 1. Okay? You are with me in this table?
Yes.
The question now, what is the value of the function at x equal 0.7? What is the value of the function at x equal 0.7?
0.49.
And how you obtain it?
X squared.
And then you have IQ question. Okay, you take it as IQ question. Okay, that's good, but this is not this is not this is not the genius program. برنامج العباقرة. This is not the genius program. We must have a formula how we obtain it, and this is the meaning of our item, interpolation. Interpolation means we have a table and we have a data, and we have a missing data here. We have a missing data here between 0.6 and 0.8 on x, and we must obtain the value of x at missing data. How we can obtain it? This is the subject of interpolation. Okay? Now, how we interpolate this function to obtain the result? Let us first take the first rule, which is let's name it first linear interpolation. The name is a linear interpolation. Linear interpolation. We have a line here. Line passes through the 2 points. So we must have 2 points, and then we have the following rule. This is the rule. F of x, the given function as a data, okay, equal approximately p1 of x. This is the interpolated function.
P is the interpolated function.
P1 of x is the interpolated function, or the approximated function, or the numerical function. The rule of it is f of x1 multiply on L1 of x plus f of x2 multiply on L2 of x. Let's first ask what is f of x1 and f of x2. Two
Doctor, what
values
is L?
at the table. Okay, given data for the function. Next question, what is L1 of x and L2 of x? Here is I think that we must, yes, it's we shall rename it as f of x naught L naught and f of x1 L1. Okay, and g here from 0. Okay, so f of x naught L naught of x and f of x1 L1 of x. So what is L1? L naught here is a fraction. I think that L naught of x is some values of x. We have in the numerator here up x minus x1. X minus x1. What x1? A value of x in a table. Okay, and down here we have x naught minus x1. This is the rule for L naught of x. X minus x1 over x naught minus x1. And this is the graph. Okay, here is x naught x1, y naught y1, and so L naught of x equal x, which is the unknown values here, x minus x1 over x naught
Doctor,
minus x1. Yes.
what is L?
What is L? L Lagrange function or Lagrange multipliers. This is its name. Lagrange function or Lagrange multipliers. Its rule is L naught of x equal x minus x1 over x naught minus x1, and L1 of x equal x minus x naught over x1 minus x naught. Lagrange multipliers or Lagrange function have the following properties. L naught of x naught equal 1. Let us substitute here x, substitute it by x naught, so up equal down, the result is 1. L naught of x naught equal 1, and L naught of x1, let us substitute here x1 minus x1, the result is 0 up here, so the result of the fraction is 0. So L naught of x naught equal 1, L naught of x1 equal 0. Let us focus in L1. What is L1 of x naught? X naught minus x naught here is 0. So we have 0 up here, and the result is 0. L1 of x1, x1 minus x0 here is equal to the down here, so the result is 1. So if the index of L is the same as the index of x, the result is 1. If they are different, the result is 0.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay.
So we now have a rule for the interpolated function p1 of x, which is f of x naught L naught of x, and we can evaluate it from the table, f of x1 L1 of x, and then we can obtain p1 of x, which is the interpolated function, and then we can evaluate the function f of x or its estimated p1 of x at any point. Let's take an example. This is the example. Find the linear polynomial that passes through the 2 points. Find the linear polynomial that passes through the 2 points 1 and 1, 4 and 2. Then find the value of the function at x equals 3. Then find the value of the function at x equals 3. Please, we shall solve this example step by step with me, okay? You have your
Okay.
notes and write with me. Before we start solving, we name the points. Okay? So,
x1, y1, x2,
yes,
y2.
here is x naught, y naught. X naught equal 1, y naught equal 1.
Okay.
And x1 equal 4, y1 equal 2. Okay?
Okay.
Now, what is the rule? Here is the rule. P1 of x equal. Here is the rule. Let's write it. P1 of x equal f of x naught L naught plus f of x1 L1. Okay? Let's write L naught and L1.
Okay.
Let's write it before it, okay? L naught equal x minus x1 over x naught minus x1 equal. What is up?
What is what?
Up. We have a fraction and we have up and down, okay? Numerator and denominator. What is up here?
At x equal 3?
Minus.
At x
What
equal
is
3
x1?
Or at x1 is 1.
1, yes.
It's
And
4,
we have
it's 4, it's 4.
down here x1 minus x naught
Doctor,
minus
x1.
x1. X naught is 1
X1
and
x1 equal 4.
4,
Doctor,
yes,
x1
it's
equal
good.
4.
So
In the upper
the
part.
result is
In the upper part, Doctor, x1 equal 4. X minus 4, not x minus 1.
this is 4. Are you sure?
Yes, x1 equal
Yes,
4.
it's good. So we have a fraction here which have minus 1
3 minus
over
4.
3 and a bracket containing x minus 4. This is L1. It's a function of x. Understand?
Okay.
Next.
Yes.
Next, let us substitute in L1 of x equal x minus x naught.
Doctor,
Yes. You can ask.
can you repeat it? Can you repeat it again?
Can you focus with me in the next and then we return? Okay. Let us focus in L1 of
Okay,
x. X minus x naught. Here is x minus. What is x naught?
X minus 1. 1.
1. Here is x naught. Okay. Do you understand me?
Okay, doctor.
And here, what is x1?
4 minus 1.
4 minus 1. Here is x1, it's 4, and here is x naught is 1. So the result is the same here. No, it is not the same. We have 1 over 3 and x minus 1.
Yes.
Okay, it's good. Now he wants me to repeat. Understand or repeat?
Understand.
Yeah.
Okay, doctor.
Okay, that's good. Now let us now substitute in the formula of p1 of x. F of x naught. What is f of x naught? It's here. Which is what?
1. X
1.
naught is 1.
times
f of 1
times L naught of x.
times negative 1 over 3.
Yes, we
Uh,
take it copy and paste. Copy and paste. Okay. The sign here we write it in the first. Plus f of x1. Here is f of x0. What?
4.
No, 4 is x1.
No, 2.
Okay, it's 2. 4 x1 and 2 f of x1. So we have here 2 times what?
times 1 over 3.
L1 of x. Here is
minus
it.
1.
Copy and then paste. Here is b1 of x. And this is the solution of the first item of the example. Find the linear polynomial that passes through the 2 points. This is the linear polynomial. We can have some very simple formula if we
Doctor,
yes,
I have a question.
yes, you can.
Is x1 x naught equals 1
Yes, x
and
naught equal 1
x1
equal 4.
equals 4,
Yes,
right?
right.
Why did we write f of x1 in the polynomial in the interpolated equation? Why did we write function of x1 is equal to 2, not 4?
Okay.
If x1 equals 4.
Okay. Let us return to our names again. What is it? What is this?
X naught.
What is this?
Why
Y naught or f of x naught?
Ah, okay.
What is it? X1. And here
X1.
Y1 or f of x1.
fx1.
Okay.
Okay? Understand?
Okay.
Please give me a short answer for this formula.
Okay.
We want a simple formula. Can you obtain it?
Negative 1 over 3 x minus 4 plus 2 over 3 x minus 1. There is no simpler way. We have to substitute by x.
We want it as the following items.
Do we expand it?
We want some value on x plus or minus some value.
Negative 1 over negative x over 3 or negative 1 over 3x.
Here is
Okay.
it.
Minus. Wait, doctor.
You want that?
Yes.
And what is it?
Wait, doctor. Plus. Wait. Plus. Wait. Sorry, doctor. Wait.
Four over 3.
0.5. I don't have a calculator, so I can't do.
We have
fractions, but
here
it's
4 over 3
0.052.
with minus, and we have here 2 over 3 with minus. The result is تعال نغش بقى. المفروض انها هتطلع 2 over 3.
One over 3 times 4 equal 1.33.
2 over 3. Okay. Anyway, we have a linear function here. Okay. We have a linear function here, which is our result. Now, the next requirement, then find the value of the function at x equals 3. Find the value of the function at x equal 3. How we can obtain it? P1.
Doctor, wait, how did we get 2 over 3? Why is it not 2?
What is the result in your mind? We have plus, we have, please wait with me, minus 1 on minus 4. What is the result? Plus 4.
1.3.
No. Minus 1.
No.
Multiply
minus 1
on
times 1 over 3.
Yes, minus 4
Times 1
plus
over
4
3
over
times-
3. 4 over 3. Okay?
Okay.
Now,
4
in
over
the next,
3,
we
yes.
have 2 over 3 on minus 1. So, minus 2 over 3. We have plus 4 over 3 here and minus 2 over 3 here. The result is 2 over 3.
Okay.
Okay. P1 of 3 equal what? We substitute
We
with
will substitute-
x equals 3 in this formula. Okay? X here must be 3.
5 over 3?
So we have minus 1
How?
plus 2 over 3. The result is
3 over 3 is negative.
Minus-
Is
minus
negative.
1 over 3.
yes, minus 1 over 3. This is the result. Do you understand this example?
Yes.
Understand? So this is the linear interpolation or linear Lagrange interpolation. Lagrange interpolation, linear interpolation. Let us turn to the next item. Quadratic interpolation. Quadratic interpolation. In the linear interpolation, we have 2 points. In the quadratic, we have 3. x0, y0, x1, y1, x2, y2. The formula in the linear interpolation is P1 of x equal L0 f of x0, L1 f of x1, or L0 y0 plus L1 y1. Here we have third item, which is L2 multiply on y2.
Y2.
So P2 of x equal L0 of x times y0 plus L1 of x times y1 plus L2 of x times y2. What is L1 of x? Here we have a fraction. We have in the numerator here up, we have 2 factors, 2 parentheses. Each of them has x minus, and we have 3 points here: x0, x1, x2. We omit one of them. What is it? It's the same index 0 of L. So we omit x0, so we have x1 and x2. Understand this or not?
No.
Please write with me in your notes. L0 of x equal, and we have fraction up. We have 2 factors, 2 parentheses. The first x minus, the second x minus. We have 3 points in the problem: x0, x1, x2. We must omit one of them. What is the omitted term? The omitted term is the same index of L. We have L0 of x, so x0 must be omitted.
So we remove x.
Remove
because it's
x0.
L of 0. We remove x0.
Yes, remove x0. So we have x minus x1, x minus x2. And down is the same as up, but x is replaced by x0. They removed from the numerator. Okay. So we remove x0 from the points up here and use it instead of x down. Understand how we write L naught of x?
Yes.
Yes.
Let's write L1 of x in the same rule. We have two factors up here, x minus, and we have 3 points in the problem, x naught, x1, x2. What is the omitted point?
X1.
x1. So we have x naught and x2. So we have x minus x naught, x minus x2. Down, we replace x by x1. So we have x1 minus x naught, x1 minus x2. Understand how we write L1?
Yes, doctor.
L2 of x. We have two brackets here, up, x minus, and we have 3 point x naught, x1, x2. What is omitted point? X2.
X2.
So we have x naught, x1, and we copy and paste the two brackets up, down, replacing x by x2. So we have x2 minus x naught, x2 minus x1. I think it is very easy to understand it and to write it without any problem. Okay? Let us focus in our example. Don't forget that the property of Lagrange multiplier is if we have the same index of L and X, the result is 1. If we have different index L and X, we have
Wait,
0. So
doctor.
Li of xi equal 1. Li of xj and
Doctor.
I not equal j, the result is 0.
Doctor.
Yes.
It's reversed. In the other in the previous example, we said if they are both similar, it equals 0.
Let us return in the previous example. Here is it. L naught of x naught. What is the result?
Wait.
1.
1.
L naught of x1. What is the result? 0. L1 of x0. What is the result? 0. L1 of x1. What is the result? 1. So
Okay.
if they are
I
the
wrote it
same,
wrong.
the result is 1. If they are different, the result is 0. Okay?
Okay.
This is the example. Find the polynomial of degree 2 that passes through the 3 points 2 and 7, 1 and minus 1, 0 and minus 1. Fine?
Doctor,
Yes.
can you accept my friend?
I didn't understand you. Please say it again.
Someone is in the waiting room.
You can. The waiting. We have ما عنديش حد مفيش. There is no waiting one. Running out of time. We have 8 minutes and then we shall start a new season. Okay? Now the example is find the polynomial of degree 2 that passes through 3 points 2, 7, 1 minus 1 and 0 minus 1. Then find the value of the function at x equal 3. Let us first name the points 0, 0 as the 0 point, 1 minus 1 the 1 point, and 2, 7 the 2 point. Okay? So let us evaluate it step by step with me. Here is L naught of x equal.
Doctor,
Yes,
can I see the question again, please?
yes, I can. Here's the question.
The last point is 0 and negative 1.
Yes,
In the
0
in the
and
table,
negative 1.
it's written 0 and 0.
0 and minus 1. Yes, 0 and minus 1. You are right. Okay. Now up here we have two brackets. The first is x minus, the second is x minus. We have 2 points. We omit the 0 point, so we have 1 and 2. Okay.
Yes.
So let's write it. Here is 1, and here is
Doctor, does it matter if we arrange the table in different way?
no at all.
If we
No,
start
no at all. No,
instead
no,
of
no. You
zero
can
with
arrange it with any with any order. Okay, we have here Gist Hawaii y prime. Okay, welcome the Gist. Let's return again. Okay, you understand how I write this up fraction? Okay. Huh?
Okay.
Understand it or not?
Yes, we do.
So we copy the numerator here in the denominator here, and then replace x by x naught, which is 0, and the same here. Okay.
Okay.
Understand? The result here down we have minus 1 on minus 2. The result is plus 2. So we have equal. We have just 2 here. Okay, now L naught is clear. Half x minus 1 on x minus 2.
Okay.
Now please write with me L1 of x. We have fraction here. عاوزين الجدول. We have 2 brackets here. In the first x minus, in the second x minus.
X minus 0.
Okay,
The
we
second is
omit
x minus 2.
x1, so we have 0 and 2. Okay. And copy the numerator in the denominator here, and then replace x by the omitted value, which is 1.
1.
Okay. Okay, that's good. And we have down here 1 on minus 2. The result is minus 2. So we have minus 1 over 2 x multiply on x minus 2. Now we can evaluate L2, and I shall leave it for you as a homework. Then the rule for interpolation is B3 B2 of x equal L naught of x multiply on y naught, L1 of x multiply on y1, L2 of x multiply on y2. L naught of x is minus half, x minus 1, x minus 2. Y naught, what is the value of y naught? Y naught here is minus 1, y1 is minus 1, and y2 is 7. So we have minus 1 here, and 1 here, and 7 here. Okay, so this is b2 of x, and we can replace x by 3 to obtain the second item of the question. So let us end this season and return with you in some moment. Okay, I shall end the meeting and start new meeting a few seconds. Okay.
Okay.